Great evening, everyone. We are Group 2. Today, we are going to present our performance-based output for art appreciation. Together with my group mates, Jamaica Ashley O. Makalalay, Bridget Irish Ramos, and Ailale Archaga. And the project title is Art and the Criminal Justice System, Analyzing Art's Role in Crime, Law, and Society. Um, Spoliarium is our chosen artwork. This spoliarium is the painter of spoliarium is Juan Luna at 1884. Who is the artist? Spoliarium is a famous artwork by the Filipino painter Juan Luna in 1884. The spoliarium was the place where Roman gladiators were stripped of their armor after defeat in the amphitheater. Luna's painting reflects the cultural and political context of the Philippines during its colonial period. It was created while the Philippines was under Spanish rule, and Luna used it as a way to criticize the oppressive colonial government and the exploitation of the Filipino people. For the next slide, Miss Makalalay present.
What year was it created? Aspolarium was created in 1884. What is the context behind it? The painting expressed Luna's strong sense of nationalism and his desire for the freedom and justice for his fellow Filipinos. Spoliarium played a role in inspiring Filipinos to stand up against the political oppression imposed by their Spanish colonizers. The medium and technique used in the creation of the artwork. One Luna's powerful artwork, the Spolarium, it was created using oil in canvas, a traditional medium that allowed Luna to achieve a high level of detail and realism. Oil paints were the most popular medium among artists in Luna's days because of their great blending skills, durability, and word color spectrum. Large-scale pieces like the Spoliarium were made possible by canvas' robust and flexible surface.
For our analysis,
Let's proceed to criminological analysis, where I can explain how the art relates to our course, which is criminology. Um, so, the painting entitled is Polarium by Juan Luna that we can see in the National Museum of Fine Arts of the Philippines. The painting illustrates a powerful depiction of crime, injustice, and social suffering, portraying violence, oppression, and abuse that can resonate in criminological themes. The painting raises the question about the role of justice in the society, the Filipinos who get the proper justice, the Filipinos who get denied, and how justice can be manipulated by the power. Therefore, Luna's masterpiece remains an insightful analysis on the lasting effects of injustice and human suffering in the Philippines.
for the symbolism and interpretation, this painting gives a depicts brutality and suffering which employs a strong visual symbols to denounce crime, justice, and societal expectations. The writing and bound figure in the middle of the painting represents the brutality of punitive justice, while the red-clad soldiers or executioners use violence, symboli- symbolizing the, the repressive nature of authoritarian regimes. The presence of crying women and the distance observing crowd implies the dehumanization of justice, where punishment is entertainment and not rehabilitation. The contrast between the helpless victims and the punishers is strong, emphasizing the unevenness of power in the justice system and raising questions of morality about the use of violence by the state. The painting changed the focus of the viewer from seeing criminals as guilty and deserving of punishment to seeing them as human beings that are being subjected to cruelty by placing the focus on suffering rather than guilt. During these challenges, the celebration of law and order, which encourage empathy and questions whether justice should be measured in terms of retribution or compassion. Overall, this critique is still relevant today, as it questions how societies dispense justice and whether punishment should be a deterrent or an instrument of oppression.
And for our personal reflection, the Spolarium transcends its historical context and serves as a powerful commentary on the enduring nature of social injustice. It compels us to question how societies treat their marginalized members and how power dynamics influence the perception of crime and justice. The painting's impact extends beyond the historical setting and resonates with contemporary issues of social inequality, systematic oppression, and the dehumanization of dehumanization of individuals. Art has the power to shape societal views on crime by provoking critical thinking and challenging established norms. The Spolarium star's portrayal of violence and injustice can serve as a catalyst for dialogue and action. It can it can inspire individuals to advocate for social justice, challenge oppressive systems, and work towards a more equitable society.
That's all po. Thank you.